Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8. In this video I'll show you how to use reverse wireless charging on any Android device. In the beginning, make sure that your Android smartphone is equipped with wireless charging. Next, go to Settings and on Clean Android, search for Battery Share. You can also search for reverse wireless charging. Enter it and enable this function. Once this function is enabled, you can also set wireless charging limit. You can enable it automatically, and now you can charge other devices with your phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.